Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at this Keychron K3 Ultra Slim wireless mechanical keyboard. We'll unbox it, take a closer look at the keyboard itself and the RGB as well as the accessories that come with it. So let's go ahead and dive right into this Keychron K3 keyboard. Now, of course, if you are interested in this keyboard, it is linked below in the description, so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. And the Keychron website has many models of keyboards to choose from. So if you're looking for a small wireless gaming keyboard, a gaming mouse, specialty keys, or a full-featured 100% keyboard for work or play, Keychron has you covered. So quick look at the box here. So this is version 2 of the Keychron K3, a sleek, compact, low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard, a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. This is the dark gray color and it's model K3E1. A quick look at some of the main specs on the back here. So it has low-profile switches, 48% thinner low-profile mechanical switches, compact design. So it's an 84-key design here. It looks like there's some RGB in the background there. Dual compatibility, so Windows, Mac. It also says Linux and Android. We've got wireless and wired connections, so you can use it with Bluetooth or a wired connection. You can charge it that way as well. You can pair up to 3 devices, which is great if you have multiple computers like I do. Battery life, it says it's got a 1550 milliamp hour battery that lasts 1 to 2 weeks when the backlight is disabled. And it's got lighting effects, so there's 15 plus lighting effects to choose from. So let's go ahead and open this keyboard up here and have a closer look. So quick look at the accessories before we jump into the keyboard here, but it looks like there's some keycaps here. These look to be the Windows keycaps, so you can swap it again from Windows to Mac. A switch and keycap pullers there. And then we've got our USB-C charging cable, so that's USB-A to USB-C. Nice braided cable there for charging or if you want to do a wired connection. We've got the quick start guide here, which shows you how to connect it via Bluetooth or a cable with some shortcuts here on the back for different things like RGB, sleep mode, etc. So that's handy. And we'll pull out the keyboard here. It does look like there's your full instruction booklet in there as well. And now for the K3 keyboard. So that's what it looks like there with the light gray and dark gray, black and orange accents. That looks really nice. So this is an 84 key keyboard. It's got the 75% layout, so it doesn't have a number pad off to the side. So it's nice and small for your desktop. It's really thin on this end. You can see the optical switches there. And it's 17 millimeters thick at that end and 22 millimeters thick at this end. And then on the back here, we've got rubberized feet so it doesn't slide around on your desk. And then there's these flip up feet here, which go to 6 or 9 degree angles. So that's nice if you want the back tilted up a little bit. And then on the top here, we've got our USB-C port for charging or if you want to do a wired connection. And then we've got our Bluetooth connection off or cable mode. And then Windows, Android, or Mac. So there's a switch there for that as well. The K3 Ultra Slim comes pre-assembled with red low-profile optical switches with a low sound level, which is ideal for office or gaming. The keys are hot swappable, which is great for those who like to customize your keyboard with new switches or keycaps. So let's get the keyboard up and running here. I'll plug it into the USB-C cable that's plugged into my computer here. And the RGB is going right away. You can actually scroll through the different designs here by pushing the lighting button here in the corner. So there's different modes. It says there's 15 plus RGB modes in here. Backlight settings. And if we want to adjust the colors, we can do that as well. I believe it's function and then left or right to adjust the colors. So there's different colors you can go through as well. So overall, I'm quite impressed with this Keychron K3 Ultra Slim wireless mechanical keyboard. It's sleek, it's compact, and lightweight, which is great for a small desktop or gaming. It's got those red optical switches, which are a little bit quieter, something I'm looking for in a keyboard. They're not too clicky, but there's a little bit of click there. It connects to up to 3 computers, which is great because I run a multi-computer setup here. So I can use it for all the computers, as well as it feels really well built. It feels like it should last a long time. Really liking the look of it. That RGB looks great in there as well. And you can customize it here, change it around. So I think this would be a great addition for someone looking for a wireless keyboard that's not too flashy, but checks all the boxes for work or gaming.